Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how I use Google Sheets to plan my days. Now, in front of me, currently, we have one of my day planners, which has the date, three top priorities, time, activity, notes, and statuses. Now, what I like to do with every sheet is I like to format it and then convert it to a table, right? Now let's come to one of my sheets that I've already converted to a table. What I like doing is under every column, I like adding something special to help me. So what you can use is you will have different types of columns you can exercise under. You can use numbers, text, date, Dropbox, checkbox, smart chips, or none, right? So let's come to Dropbox. Let's add a Dropbox, right? So now I'm going to show you already a Dropbox I've edited. Under Tuesday, I have designed the Dropbox under every specific time to choose whether I want to do maths. Then around this time, I want to do physics. Then this time, I want to do life science. Then this time I want to do geo, right? And another thing is that you can use different colors. You can use different colors for different fields, for different tables, and for different day planners. Thank you guys so much.